Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your GitHub repository's visibility from private to public, or public to private. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the visibility of your GitHub repository, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the repository for which you want to change the visibility. You can see all your repositories right here, so just find the one and then select it. And after that, you will now be on your repository. So now that you're in your repository, next, I want you to go to Settings. And here on Settings, I want you to make sure that you are on the General section. And once you're sure that you are in the General section, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom. And here at the bottom, you will now be able to see the Change Repository Visibility option, so just click the Change Visibility button right here. And then you will now see the Change button, which allows you to make your repository private, but what it says here will depend on your current repository setting. If your repository is currently public, it will say, Change to Private. But if your repository is already private, it will show, Change to Public. And then GitHub will show you a warning. This warning will inform you of the effects of changing your repository's visibility. Make sure to read it carefully so you're aware of the effects and to ensure you're making the change for the right reasons. And if you're still sure that you want to change your repository's visibility even after reading it and despite the effects, just go and click this. And then another warning will appear right here, so also read it properly, and if you're sure that you still want to change the visibility despite the warning, you can now click this button. And then GitHub will ask you to enter your account password to make sure that it's really you who's trying to make changes on your account. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your repository's visibility will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.